dropped a hammer on his X-15 Cummins at 389. Hoorah! Nice. Scott Rosenberg, you know, he's 17 minutes short over that hammer. Oh, he grabbed a big gear out of Utica, Minnesota. He knew what he was doing. 83 359. Looking at the back end. Oh! Not the Diamond Rio. She got messed up. That's the sailor. Okay, all right. I stand corrected. I'll look down there. Look at that pull, huh? That shipper is wound tight. Four Freightliner camera. 7 horsepower with a 9 speed. Get after it. Come on, kid. Come on. Warren Hochstetter. Hawkeye horsepower there out of Hawkeye, Iowa. Gonna try to yank it out the back end. Yes, dude. Good pull, though. Again. Oh, yeah. He grabbed a gear. We pissed him off. 180, big boy. Just nasty on it. Aluminum that you can take a look at. Here we go. At this point, Mike has got his out of the way, and right now that is 6 man